Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see subtraction of large numbers. Okay? Quick drill. Subtract 2,35,689 from 8,75,143. First we have to write 8,75,143. 2,35,689. We have to subtract this. Okay. So 6,39,454. Okay. Next, B. 5,58,762 from 7,48,865. 7,48,865. 5,58,762. Okay. You have to subtract this minus. So 1,90,103. Understood? These two are quick drills. Next, we will move on to practice 2. Subtract and verify your answer. First, 2,16,627 minus 1,29,241. So we have to subtract this, and then we have to verify the answer if it is correct or not. Okay. For this, we have to add this. Okay, this number. This is how much? 87386, right? We have to add 241. Okay, so we have to get this answer. Okay, so whatever we did, it's correct. Okay, in the same way, rest 3 we have to do it in your home. Okay, if you don't know, I'll upload the answer in my WhatsApp channel. Okay, please check it out. Okay, the link of my WhatsApp channel is in my description. Okay, next, second, an exam was taken by 8,14,145 students. If 98,663 of them failed, how many passed? Draw a bar model and solve. Okay, so in a bar model, this is a bar model. Okay, this is a bar model. So answer means the exam total students is 8,14,145. In that, how much failed? 98,663. So how many passed? Failed 98,663. How many passed? We have to minus this. Okay, 8,14,145 minus 98,663. So 7,000, 7,15,482 students passed. Okay. How many passed? 7,15,482. Okay. Next, a city has a population of 9,95,342. Of them, 3,20,023 were affected by a viral disease. How many were unaffected by the virus? Draw a bar model and solve. In the same way, you have to draw, but I'll do the subtraction. Okay. 9,95,342 total population. In that, 3,20,023 people were affected. So 6,75,319 were unaffected. Okay. Next, fourth one. In 2022, India received 6,17,768 tourists from the United Kingdom. This is 2,48,745 more than the number of tourists from Australia. Find the Australian tourists. Draw a bar model and solve. Okay. So 6,17,768 minus 2,48,745. 3,69,023. Understood? Next, fifth. A disaster relief fund received 8,17,489 in donations yesterday and 9,50,072 today. What was the amount the fund received on both days together? How many more rupees did it receive today than yesterday? So we have to add this. Okay. Okay. Then how many more rupees did it receive today than yesterday? So in that we have to minus these two. So 1 lakh to 1,32,583 receives today than yesterday. Okay. Understood? For this we finished our practice 2. Tomorrow we will see profit and loss. Okay. Thank you.